Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Creating a perfect room setup using Ikea furniture can be both stylish and functional, especially in a studio living room where space is at premium. Start with selecting a versatile and compact study table like the IKEA Lemon with LX drawers or the mic desk, both of which offer ample workspace and integrated storage for books and supplies. Pair the desk with a comfortable ergonomic chair such as Marquis survival chair to ensure long study sessions are comfortable. To maximize space and organization, consider wall-mounted storage solution, Kellogg's shelving unit or leg shelves. These can hold books, decorative items, and study essentials without taking up floor space. For a cohesive look, choose matching or contemporary pieces in natural tones. Incorporate multifunctional furniture to enhance the studio living room's functionality. Sofa bed like the Friton can serve as a sitting area during the day, and sleeping a foldable desk or wall-mounted drop-leaf table can also be practical addition, offering extra workspace when needed without occupying much space. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.